everybody. It's Seth Jones, editor-in-chief of Golfdom Magazine. I'm at the 2026 GCSAA conference and show here in Orlando, and I'm at the Kress booth, and it is busy. I'm being joined by Todd Zimmerman. He gave me some of his valuable time. Todd, how's your show been?
So far, it's been packed. It's been a fantastic show. The golf superintendents, dealers stopping by. This is the slowest it's been ever.
Wow. I've heard a lot of good reviews of this show. I'm glad you guys are having a good one. Let's talk about, you got a new machine available. This is what is kind of hot for golf right now. Will you talk to me about it?
Absolutely. So we're introducing the KR238. We're calling it the Mega 600 or the Master Series for golf. It's a 22-inch or 24-inch cut capacity, 22-acre coverage in 48 hours.
Okay.
With it, we're introducing new technology. We have RTK with our RTK network nationwide. Tri-camera, so we can recognize and see things in 3D vision, as well as time of flight, ultrasonic sensors, and then a mapping technology or V-SLAM on the inside. So even if RTK were to drop out underneath shade, it picks up and continues to mow in straight lines with that 2 to 3 centimeter level accuracy.
That's incredible. I've been talking to you guys for a couple years now. We see each other at Equip Expo. We see each other at the golf show. You guys did an incredible project with us, the Superintendent's Guide to Autonomous Mower.
Absolutely.
Talk to me about what's it like for you guys to see this autonomy and robotics just seems to be moving really rapidly in this space.
So the growth in the awareness has just skyrocketed. So from when we first talked, it was what's a robotic mower do and who should I work with? Then it ended up going to last year when we were here was I know I need to do robots, but I'm not sure about it. This time it's I know robots are the future and where I need to go. And the biggest thing is the superintendents are recognizing they can reallocate the labor on their course from the gentleman that's on that mower to help them do something else that's more profitable and makes the course look better, right? So now you have an autonomous motor that can give you the cut quality that you're looking for, stripes when you want them, and the maneuverability and the reliability on that course so it's not getting hung up or stuck.
Okay, great. And Todd, just to be specific, for a mower like this, how do you see a superintendent using this specific machine? Like, in what part of the course, in what aspect, how are they getting it, what are they using it for?
That's a great question. So this one's been developed to be able to handle all of your turf on your course, except your greens.
Okay.
Right? So this is meant because we have a cutting height from 0.4 inches all the way to 4 inches to do everything from your greens to your semi-rough to your rough, your tee boxes, even your driving range. So it's really the implementation to be able to cover larger acreage in a shorter amount of time versus the smaller ones that we have, which do a fantastic job now, but allows you to get more holes done per charge.
Okay, great. Well, Todd, thanks for showing me the machine, and congrats on the success of the show.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
For sure. Everybody, this is Todd Zimmerman. I'm Seth Jones. We're at the Kress booth. Thanks for watching us here on Golfdom TV.